5 seconds. First and foremost, it is pertinent to note that this court, in its judgment in Syed Abdul Qadir's case, recognized that the issue of recovery revolved on the action being iniquitous. Dealing with the subject of the action being iniquitous, it was sought to be concluded that when the excess unauthorized payment is detected within a short period of time, it would be open for an employer to recover the same. Conversely, if the payment has been made for a long duration of time, it would be iniquitous to make any recovery. Inference, because an action is iniquitous, must really be perceived as interference because the action of is arbitrary. All arbitrary actions are July actions in violation of Article 14. The logic of the action in the instant situation is iniquitous or arbitrary or violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India, because it would be almost impossible for an employee to bear the financial burden of a refund of payment received wrongfully for a long span of time. It is apparent that a government employee is primarily dependent on his wages, and if deduction is to be made from his or her wages, it should not be a deduction which would make it difficult for the employee to provide for the needs of his family. Besides foods, clothing and shelter, an employee has to cater not only to the education needs of those dependent upon him, but also their medical requirements and a variety of sundry expenses. Based on the above consideration, we are of the views that if the mistake of making a wrongful payment is detected within 5 years, it would be open to the employer to recover the same. However, if the payment is made for a period in excess of 5 years, even though it would be open to the employer to correct the mistake, it would be extremely iniquitous and arbitrary to seek a refund of the payment mistakenly made to the employer. In this context, reference may also be made to the reflection decision rendered by this court in Shyam Babu Verma versus Union of India, SCC 521, wherein this court observed as under we have held these petitions were entitled by only in terms of the recommendations of the Third Pay Commission with effect from January 1, 1973. Accordingly, we direct that no steps should be taken to recover or to adjust any excess without paid to the petitioners due to the fault of the same. It is apparent that in Shyam Babu Verma's case, the higher pay scale commenced to be paid simultaneously in 1973. The same was thought to be recovered in 1984, that is, after a period of 11 years. In the aforesaid circumstances, the court felt that the recovery after annual several years of the implementation of the pay scale would not be just and proper We therefore hereby hold recovery of excess payments discovered after 5 years would be iniquitous and arbitrary, and as such violative of Article 14 of the Constitution of India. Examining a similar proposition, this court in Colonel B.J. Akra versus Government of India observe as under such relief, restraining bank recovery of excess payments is granted by courts not because of any right in the employees but in equity in exercise of judicial discretion to relieve the employees from the hardships that will be caused if recovery is implemented. A government servant, particularly one in the lower rungs of service, would spend whether emoluments be received for the upkeep of his family. If he receive an excess payment for a long period, he would spend it, generally believing that he is entitled to it as any subsequent action to recover the excess payments will cause undue hardship to him. Relief is granted in that behalf, but where the employee had knowledge that the payment received was in excess of what was due or wrongly paid, or where the error is detected or corrected within a short time of wrong payment, courts will not grant relief against recovery. The matter being in the realm of judicial discretion, courts may, on the facts and circumstances of any particular case, refuse to grant such relief against recovery. A person of the aforesaid observations by his court in Colonel B.J. Akra case reveals a reiteration of the legal position recorded in the earlier judgment rendered by this court, inasmuch as it was again affirmed that the right to recover would be sustainable so long as the same was not iniquitous or arbitrary. In the observation extracted about this court also received that recovery from the employees in long run of service would result in extreme hardship to them. The apparent explanation for the aforesaid conclusion is that employees in lower rung of service would spend their entire earnings in the upkeeping and welfare of their family, and if such excess payment is allowed to be recovered from him, it would be from them, it would cause them hardship. The apparent explanation for the aforesaid conclusion is that employees in the lower rung of service would spend their entire earnings in the upkeep and welfare of their family, and if such excess payment is allowed to be recovered from them, it would cause them hardship.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.